Feng Shui is from the East and Thanksgiving is from the West. Originally, they're totally unrelated. But this time I want to bring them together. I want to Feng Shui our Thanksgiving. So this is something special. We organically mix them together. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Alex. Welcome. Today I would like to share with you some special and interesting topic, which is our Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is one of the really important holiday, and which is one of my favorite holiday. I love to enjoy my Thanksgiving, and maybe you will love too. Because Thanksgiving is so important, it's a good timing for you and your family, even your friends. You can join together, reunion together, gathering, share some important moments, talk, and then have some good food, and then enjoy this like a holiday season. So it's so important. And you can also show your gratitude to your friends and family during the Thanksgiving. And I'm a Feng Shui master, and so this time I want to do something special. I know that Feng Shui is from the East and Thanksgiving is from the West. Originally, they're totally unrelated. But this time I want to bring them together. I want to Feng Shui our Thanksgiving. So this is something special. We organically mix them together and bring some good atmosphere to us. So how we can do that? Okay, we can add some Feng Shui element to this Thanksgiving. And Thanksgiving, we know that is which is really good for us to reunion, to gather together. So it's good time for you to reunion with your friends and family. And if you are looking for business development, business growth, actually you can make use of this like a gathering event and then show something important to your friends and family. And if you do it right, you can let's have a more like a referral business from your friends and family. We know that all of our friends and family, each individual, behind them, they have a whole bunch of network. If you can explore the network, there will be huge resources for your business growth. And this topic, Feng Shui your Thanksgiving, is actually help you how you can make use of it. You have a different friends and family, and I'm sure not all of them have a same like an important role in your mind. And in the business sense of view, it's actually not all your friends is equal or can bring the same benefit to you. Some of them is just a good friend, but some of them is more than good friends. They will give you more support, show you more business, introduce more like a customer, refer some business to you. And in this points of view, we're actually focused on those friends or family that we can refer you some business. How we can do that? We can use our zodiac to have a more like an opportunity to do that. Okay, today, this year is 2024, is the year of the dragon. So we'll use dragon as an example. If you're born in other zodiac, you can go to my website and then download this chart, then you have a more idea. Just for example, if you are dragon, who is dragon? Actually, if you are born in 1940, 1952, 1964, 1976, 1988, 2000, your zodiac is a dragon. Then you can use my chart to find, hey, Worcester is good for you, Monkey is good for you, and Wedge is good for you. So among your friends, you can find more like a Worcester, Monkey, and Wedge. For the year, you can follow my chart. Then there's a more concrete answer for you. So you can focus on Worcester, Monkey, and Wedge. They will have a more chance to give you some business to help you out. So those are your good helping hand. You need to stay away from dog, dragon, and rabbit, especially dog, because dragon and dog, they're totally against each other. Maybe your friend, his zodiac is a dog. Maybe he will try to help you out to give you some business, refer you some business, but at the end, there's something happen which is not really successful. That's why the zodiac, when they're against each other, the result is not so expected. So if I were you, I will focus on someone is good for me first in terms of a business point of view. So for dragon, it's rooster, monkey, and rat. So focus on them. They will definitely will bring you more benefit. And if you are born in other year, you can go to my take a look for my chat, and then you can find out. Then you can have a more idea. And also, we can use traditional Feng Shui to bring us more happiness during this Thanksgiving festival. And what we are going to do is, right now, we need to use this number 9 flying star. And number 9, we call it the start of happiness. Will bring you more luck, more happiness. And in this year, 2024, it go all the way to the southwest. So for my suggestion, in your southwest corner of your home, you can decorate it and make it like a small reunion gathering place. So you and your family and your friends, you can stay in this southwest corner for more often, share what you thought, enjoy the good food, enjoy the good moment over there. That will bring you more benefit. And you can also use some Feng Shui setting to decorate this southwest location. This number 9 is belong to the fire element, so we can use more fire element to help this number 9. Fire is, for the color, is a red, orange, purple, bright yellow that belong to the fire element. Or you can use the wood to burn more fire. So more plants or green decoration on the southwest corner, that will definitely help. And for other year, let's say for 2025, this number 9 go to the east, 2026 go to the southeast, 2027 go to the middle, 2028 go to the northwest, 2029 go to the west, 2030 go to the northeast location. So this is for you, you can do that. And also, Thanksgiving is a good moment for us to fix some relationship. If let's say if you have some conflict or some argument, some issue with your family, your spouse, your kids, or other family member, Thanksgiving is a really good moment for you to fix this relationship. And something you can do, you can make use of this yearly Feng Shui flying star to help you. So this number 3, we call it the start of the argument, is the start. You need to handle it, you need to take care of it. This start of the argument will make you argue a lot, have a more issue, more conflict, so you need to stay away or use something to minimize the impact. So first of all, in 2024, this number 3 is go to the middle of your home. So for my idea is, do not use the middle of your home as the gathering place together with your friends and family, because that will minimize the conflict. And also in the middle, you can use some Feng Shui element, because this number 3 is belong to the wood element. So you can use more fire element to burn this wood. Again, more red color, bright yellow, purple, orange, that will help, or more lighting, that will help. Or you can also use metal to against this wood energy. So more like a metal decoration and more like a white, silver, and gold, that kind of color, that will definitely help. So that will help you out. And for Thanksgiving, if you want to show, give your friends some like a gift, some of the gift you can give it to them, and some of the gift you need to avoid. For example, something sharp, let's say scissor, knife, those sharp objects will create some damaging energy. So definitely we need to want to avoid that. And something good, let's say some gift that will create some like a special meaning, then that will be a good idea. Or some gift which is a sweet and create some happiness energy, that will also suitable. Or some gift that will be long lasting, that will be also good, because not like a chocolate or some sweet candy, you eat those candy, chocolate is gone. But some long lasting gift, they will stay in your home or in your friend's home for a long time, that will bring more benefit to you. And I wish you good luck. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn Feng Shui systematically, I have an online class here. I put the link down below. You can check this out. Or if you want to read the books, I have a Practical Feng Shui 101 book on Amazon.com. You can go there to download it. Thank you. Thanks for watching.